Okay, we just did the cosine rule. There is one version of it, a squared, when you're looking for the side A. And it looks like that. What we're doing today is the cosine rule to find missing angles. And to do that, all we're going to do is take the same formula and rearrange it so that the subject of the formula, or we've isolated cos A. So let's do it. Let's bring this 2bc cos A term over here. 2bc times cos A. You don't have to write that times, but you've got like 2bc, and you've got the cc next to each other. It looks kind of weird sometimes. And we've still got b squared plus c squared. Now I'm going to bring the a squared over here, so that's going to become minus a squared. Now I want cos A alone, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2bc. 2bc, and the 2bc's cancel on the left, leaving us with cos A equals b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc, and that is the cosine rule to find the angle A. Okay, you put all these numbers in and you get cos A equals some decimal, then you do shift cos of that decimal on the right side and you end up with the angle A. That is it, and there are three versions, okay? Depending on which angle in the triangle. You have cos B, and then you just shuffle the variables around. It's going to be a squared plus c squared minus b squared all over 2ac, and the version 3 is cos C is going to equal a squared plus b squared minus c squared over 2ab. Okay, so whatever this angle is here, you're always subtracting it squared over here. Angle B is subtract b squared. Angle C is subtract c squared. And the other two variables are, you've got the sum of the squares divided by 2 times that times that. So that is the cosine rule to find a missing angle. So you only really need to memorize one of those, and hopefully you can just write out the other two. Okay, just follow the pattern.